Hi everyone, so this is the room tour for 3301 at the Pop Century Resort. We are at the 50s building, which is actually pretty close to the main building. It is not a preferred room, so it is just a standard room. So let's take the room tour. So this is what it looks like. We have everyone in the corner just waiting because we're checking out. So there is a lot of USBs and power outlets. There's a hanger over here, which is pretty nice. We hung a couple things up this week. Right here, you do have your iron and your blow dryer, which is really nice. And they have a really cool mirror fan. I meant not mirror fan, a mirror. Really nice sink area with a very big mirror. And then this is our bathroom, which was, since the whole room was updated, so they made it a lot neater. And then of course you have your shampoo, body wash, but the shower head is actually really nice. It has the rainfall shower, and then it also has the detachable, and you could adjust it by right here. It still does have the hanger, pretty much for your wet clothes for the pool and stuff like that, which is also good to have. But overall, it's really nice. Oh yes, so the outlets on the well side actually didn't work, the USB portions. So I would just make sure you have a power adapter just in case. Kyle, you want to help me with this bed real quick? So this is the second bed, which I think is really, really cool. And then it pulls down, and there's your second bed, which I think is really nice. There also is a bunch of storage underneath here, so you actually can put your suitcases underneath. So that was the only good thing, but overall I think we had a pretty good experience here. They did upgrade the TV, so it looks to be a 55-inch, I would think, but it is really nice. They do have your, bring this up. And right over here, they do have your fridge. They do not have a freezer portion, but they do have the fridge. They do have,
I didn't know that.
yeah, they do have a coffee maker, but they actually got rid of it right now for COVID reasons. But usually you do have coffee inside the rooms, but yeah, that's
It's a nice bucket.
yeah, but that's the room tour for Pop Century.